Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to BGS Technology new another video. So today's video I'm going to show you how you add every fonts on your pixel apps. It's the most interesting but someone don't know it. But how you add it? So I'll show you. By the way, before the start video, I'll say if you new member in our channel, now click the subscribe button. And if you watch this video and other social medias, now follow me. So let's drive the video how you do edit. So jump.
Hey guys, welcome back. First of all, we're open the pixelab apps and then we're click cancel and OK option. Don't want to recover my before editing picture, that's why I click the cancel option, and then we're gonna A options and swipe the site, and then we'll click the font option, and then we'll click my fonts option. Here is no font, we need to add some font here. Okay, so if your font be recent option, now click this, and here is nothing, my font are not be here, that's why I come back. Okay, so if your fonts files another option, so I click the files option and we'll find out this file where is our font, so I find out it, and then here is my every font, and I click here, and here my every font is coming, so I click this font. Well, it's my font is adjust my like my text. How really nice.
Yes guys, it was today's video. If you like this video, now click the like button, and if you want to share your opinion with me, now comment me. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's see you later very soon, inshallah, another video. Assalamu Alaikum.